Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to show you how you can invert the color of your card. Because if you have a look at the moment, just ignore the image. We're not going to be inverting any of that because that's an image. We have a white background inside the card body. You might think it's just the default thing, and it generally is, but it's still white. We have some text which is black, and I believe this is black as well, or a really dark grey. Either way, we've got dark text and a light background, but you might want it reversed. You might want a dark background and light text. The obvious way to do that is apply CSS for the background, apply CSS for this, apply CSS for this, and any other items. But that can become quite tedious. To invert it, there's literally two things that you really need to do. Add a class to the entire card div container, and this class is card-inverse. Save it, and now if we go to our web browser, refresh, this text hasn't disappeared, it's still here, it's just white now. And what we're going to do is just manually change the background color of the card. I'm using inline styling just so it's easier for this video. Generally you'll want to use a CSS file. So I'm going to put background dash color. I'm going to set it to black. Something that's dark works well. If we go back, refresh, and there you go. We have a black background which we applied one line of CSS, and using the card-inverse, these two pieces of text have now changed color. But this is white and now this is grey, and what's great about this is the title is something that needs to really stand out. So if it's a post on a blog, you want it to attract the user. So this is brighter than the main text, but the main text is still more than readable. It's not like you can't read it, it's just not as prominent as the title. That's all handled within Bootstrap. So that's card inversions for you in Bootstrap. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that website. Plus there's also thousands of videos for free on our education platform, so check them out as well. There'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video and the source code from every other video in this series. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help us provide more content to you on a regular basis. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.